Everyone, Happy New Year! So last year I was making a lot of cakes for celebration and maybe they weren't very easy or something like that. So today I'm going to make really easy dessert and you can make it anytime. So what I'm using crumbs of my sponge cakes. Like you can bake sponge cake and cut it in small pieces. What I do when I bake cakes, when I cut the top part for leveling, I save these parts and I freeze them, and then I save these parts and I'm using them to make, I freeze them, and when I need them, I'm using them to make trifle or cake pops. So today I'm making trifle. Trifle is an English dessert. It came from the Great Britain, but right now you can experiment with it. You can make it your own. You just make basically layers with your sponge cake, pastry cream, and any fruit, any jam, any berries, anything you like. So today I'm improvising and I'm making trifle of my own. So right now I'm making a pastry cream. So my milk is heating up and I'm beating my egg with sugar and corn flour. So my milk has boiled and I'm adding it slowly to my egg mixture. Now I'm returning my egg and milk mixture back to my pot and I'm gonna cook it on a slow to medium heat until it gets thicker. My pastry cream is beautiful. I love the texture and I move it back to this bowl to cool down. I also wanted to show you that's how it should look your bottom when you're making the pastry cream. Nothing can burn, nothing can stick. That's perfect actually. Alright, this done and this has to cool. While this is cooling, I'm going to make pears in red wine. Then we're going to layer our dessert with beautiful, beautiful flavors. Okay, now this is very simple. I'm gonna put there my pears, sugar, and red wine. And I'm gonna simmer it until sugar is dissolved. And that's about it. Okay, and I'm going to add just a little bit of cinnamon. I think it's gonna taste great. Let's simmer just for about 5-10 minutes. Okay, while everything was cooling down, I whipped some cream. And I whipped cream to the stable peaks, like that, see? They're not falling. And now I'm combining my pastry cream with my whipped cream. And I'm doing it very gentle, and I'm folding it all together. And 3 times as usual. And now everything is ready to layer our trifle. So I'm gonna use these glasses. I also have special bowl for trifle, but this time I want to do something different. So first I'm layering it with my sponge cake pieces, then a little bit of cream that we made with pastry cream and whipping cream. Now our pears, my pears, then a little bit of sponge cake again, and then I've got the secret ingredients, and then I got the secret ingredient, the caramel. I'll show you, I made it myself and I'll show you how to make it in the next video. And I just drizzle it, pour it over our sponge cake. Yummy. And then our cream. And sponge cake again, a little bit. Pears. And caramel. And this is it. And on top, then you can decorate it with whipping cream or ice cream or anything you like, or you can leave it at that. And there is our trifle. There are our trifles, beautiful and yummy. So it can be decorated as you wish, as your fantasy goes. So what I have frozen mousse hearts, and I also have this, it's like wine jelly. I make it usually when I make bonbons or mousse cakes, like little hearts like that. I usually use them as an insert. But I think because here my pears were simmered in wine, so it will be great addition to flavor. So I am gonna just use it on top. And I'm gonna put my mousse heart just on top of it. Our trifles are ready, and I would leave them in the fridge for a few hours so all the flavors will combine and sponge will get a little bit softer, and then we can enjoy them, you can enjoy them, I am going to enjoy them for sure. Alright, I hope you like this idea and I hope you make your own trifle, and I'll see you in the next video.